Every year I go through this boy. What do you think you're doing? Are you helping? I'm trying to wrap presents and you're doing that. What am I supposed to do? Huh? What am I supposed to do with all that? That's not helping wrap presents, Tiko. It really isn't. Oh my God. What are you doing? You know help. You know help. You're naughty. You're naughty. Yes, you are. I need your help. No, I don't. Go on. No, Nicky, walk. Here, look. You lunatic. Yeah, have that. Get it. Get it. Look what you've done with all the paper. You mad? No, leave me alone. I'm trying to wrap presents. I can't if you're trying to rip all the paper. Go play with this. You've done all the damage to this already. See? Who done that? Did you do it? Oh my God. What are you doing? Who done all that? What are you doing? Why are you wrecking that paper on me? Did I say you could do that? Oh my God. What are you doing? That's not helping. I was going to use that piece of paper for the next present. Now what am I going to do? Kiss the phone. That's what fixes everything, doesn't it? You are crazy. Yes, you are. You're a nut. You're a nut. I can't turn the phone around anymore because it said presents. No, we don't want to show the kids presents. No, we don't. Get out of it. You are a monster. Doing? Huh? Don't you tear it. Don't you tear it. Hey, oh, no. That's it. You play with that one. Yeah. Oh, and all right, you tear that one some more. Look what you've done to it. Who done it? Did you do it? Did you do it? Oh my God. You're so cheeky. You're so naughty and cheeky and beautiful. Nah. No.
Oh, wow. You guys are... It was the jacket. Yeah, absolutely. Wow, good for you. I'm so jealous. I've never got a...
You're a nut. You are a nut. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're not helping. No, you're not. No, you're not helping. No, you're not. Tiko. Go get this. Over here, look. Over here. Not that one. This one over here. There you go. You have that one, all right? Yeah. You've already destroyed that, so yeah, that's right. You have that one. No, not that one. Get out of it. What do you think you're doing? Hey? No, not this one either. Go play back with that one. Mum's got to wrap this up, all right? You're naughty? Yeah? What's all this? Did you do that? You did, didn't you? Yes, you did. You're naughty. You sure? Huh? Lunatic. You're a loony. Yeah, you're mad. Don't wreck the cards, will you? You're a nut. You sure are? Don't even think of it. No. Hey, no. Yeah, you're not allowed to tear out the presents. I can see I've got, oh God, how many days till Christmas? What is it, about a week or something? How am I going to last Stopping you destroying the presents over there for another 6 days or something. Huh? What am I supposed to do? Yeah? What am I supposed to do? Don't you even think of it. No, 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 no. Don't you go near them. You monster. You're a dad. Oh, you're clever. Yes. You're clever. Yes. Don't even think of it. Don't even think of it. I'll give you what. He's trying to get these presents. He's already put holes in them. And he's already put holes in the ones over the back there. I go through this every single year. Don't I, Tiko? And in the end, I have that many repairs on them. Sometimes I have to actually rewrap them before Christmas Day. Or on Christmas morning. Don't I, Tiko? Yes. No. No. Don't even think of it. You're so naughty. You're so naughty. Yes, you are. Yep. Now what are you doing? See ya. Oh, thank God I get a break for a minute.
Did some 300 last night without knowing. And thank goodness you realized it on the second spin.
What are you doing?
You noticed that because you got a bonus.
What are you doing?
Believe it. Got a bonus.
You are a nut.
Later, I've already said
Oh yeah. You're crazy. Yeah, you're crazy. Don't even think of sneaking over there. What have you done? You've unwrapped the presents. It's not even Christmas. Get out of it. It's not Christmas morning. Look what he's done. Oh my God, they're not even under the tree and he's destroying them. No, what are you doing? You naughty face.
Okay.
I've nearly finished now. Thanks for helping. Oh, you're going to start again on that one, are you? It's bad luck if I need it for anything, isn't it?
Nice first spin, anyway. Wow.
You're a monster. You are a monster. Don't you try and get him? No. I mean it. Look at all the mess you've made. Well, this is a Tiko helping wrap presents. Yeah, ow. Who done the ouchie? Did you do it? Huh? Oh, yes, I know. You're special. Presents are under the tree. I don't know how long they're going to be there for. I'm going to have to put a fence around it. I'll put the toys in front of it a bit. But anyway, there's my Christmas tree. Oh no, look how he said it again. Hey! Monster? No more. Yeah, right, Mum. Yeah, owl. I know, owl. And just to finish the mess off for the day, Mini Miner's bathing in my drink. How did you even fit yourself in there? Funny thing is, I went to drink that water later, and luckily I didn't swallow it. You crazy bird. What are you doing? Are you going to clean up the mess you made?